Hi everybody, it's been absolutely ages since we did an update on the 350Z. This was in episode 1, our very first attempt at doing some vlogging. The car's had some work since then. It's had a new pair of wings. If you remember from the first video, the wings were absolutely toast. So we've got some new pattern wings from Thornton Auto Paint. Both sides. It's much better. The plan for this car now is to turn it into one of our drift taxi cars. So if you buy one of our drift taxi passenger experiences, then this car, once it's all tidied up, will be one of the cars that you're going to get to go out in. So we have fitted a hydraulic handbrake to it, so we'll let you have a quick look at that. It's a pretty sweet install, done by the guys at DRIFTLAND Drift Garage. So you can see the OEM mounting is there, so if the policeman pulls you over, it just looks like a standard handbrake anyway, except in here, remote control for the stereo, and also a sneaky hydro. So it allows us just to keep absolute OEM, nothing different about it at all, except there's no button, there's no ratchet mechanism, and it's going to allow us to control the car a little bit easier during public days when we've got busy track sessions and the taxi drivers are having to ping in and out in between all the traffic. So going to get this thing warmed up, going to take it down onto track, take it out for a little shot, see if it's any good, see if Amjid managed to bleed this hydro up well, and then possibly a little review of what I think of the car. I've only really driven this once, and that was when we put the welded diff in. So now that we've got this hydro here, we can go and see what it's like. So I'm going to set up some more cameras and we'll get going. We need to turn any traction controls off. ESP off. Test this out. And the windows steamed up, I can't see. I can't see. The mister's back on. Slightly bit of gummy there. Oh, look at this sheet of ice here. This little bit of ice are killing me. Oh, I'm determined to make over that bit of ice now. Oh, possible! Oh, those bits of ice are torture. That is actually impossible. Like, understairs, then overstairs, then nothing stairs. Actually impossible. Try again. Stay off the grass! Idiot! Is what I would be saying if I was watching. That bit of ice is torture! Get a big angle. So I can come up everything. Yes! Hello. So those icy bits are brutal today. Oh, not cool. I'm stuck! It's in gear. And it's dull because it caught some grip. Ah! We're off, we're off, we're off. There we go, test drive complete. The track conditions there were pretty interesting. I actually enjoyed that quite a lot. The full dry and then just a river of ice, a solid sheet of ice, so you had to sort of get the car absolutely perfectly lined up in order to hit the ice. I think I only managed it like twice, if not, you understeer, oversteer, and then you catch a big bit of grip and then it just lobs you off in whichever direction your wheels happen to be pointing. So yeah, this is it, the update. The next thing I think for this will be some sort of lock kit. If anybody is interested in getting involved or has a good deals on 350Z lock kits, hit us up in the comments. The only other thing I think will be some sort of wrap or paint job in order to hide the sort of shonky bits. Make it look a lot more sporty, race car like, in order for it to be perfect for our drift taxis. So once again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little update on the 350Z. If you did, give us a little like, subscribe, share, comment, let us know what you want us to do to this thing. Basically anything. We pretty much have a free rein here. We can do as we please pretty much, so start throwing us some ideas. If we pick yours and you're local, we might even get you down to help us film it. So hit us up in the comments. Remember, hit subscribe, tell your mates. We really need to get these subscribe numbers up. We hit 2,000 today, so once we get to 10,000, I'm going to spend 4 figures on fireworks and we're going to strap them to an E36. So get involved, hit the subscribe button, tell your mates. Thanks.